The science behind irresistible hooks is really complex, but top creators know special hook tricks that keep viewers glued to their screens. Why does this matter? While growing my own channel to over 120,000 subscribers, I've learned this. YouTube loves videos that keep people watching. A strong hook can multiply your video's views by 10. A bad hook can kill even your best video. Here's the problem. Trying to remember all of those hook tricks is like juggling too many balls. Your brain can't keep track of everything. But what if there was a way to use all of those powerful tricks without having to remember every single one? I discovered a special AI tool that helps you use everything you learn about hooks without having to keep it all in your head. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. So this AI helps you create great hooks in 3 ways. First, it will learn any special hook writing tricks that you point it to, and it will use what it's learned when writing your hooks. Secondly, it can study any niche and write hooks specific to that niche while still learning those tricks that you've taught it. And third, it can even teach you why your old, underperforming hooks didn't work. So here's how it works. Getting the AI to learn any hook writing tricks that you found online is as easy as dropping those tricks right here into the platform on the left-hand side, and then feeding them into any hooks that you get the AI to generate for you over here on the right-hand side. The AI platform you're looking at right now is called Poppy AI. I'll put a link to it in the description to this video. I'll show you how this works. So I'll get rid of this placeholder that I've put here, and in its place, we're going to pop some actual hook writing lessons that are online. And to do this, we can add anything from social media by clicking over here on the left. You can see we can add things from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. We could even add images in, information on websites, or even documents. But for now, I'm just going to choose social media content because I want to drop in a YouTube video that I found in this box that teaches people how to write great hooks. So I'll just head over to YouTube and get the link to that video. And this is the video I want right here at the top from Kallaway, how to create irresistible hooks. This is seriously the best video out there I've seen on how to create great hooks for your videos. So I'm going to grab the link to this video, head back over to Poppy AI and paste that video into the AI by clicking add to board, and just drag this over here. And the AI is now instantly able to learn anything that's taught in this video about writing great hooks, just like that in a split second. So this video teaches a 3-step process for writing great hooks, which you can see down here. It says that a hook should start with a context lean, which establishes the video topic and gets viewers leaning in. The hook should then create a scroll stop, which uses contrasting words to create a pause for the viewer. And finally, a contrarian snapback. The hook should provide unexpected information. So we've got our video added into the platform that teaches the AI the 3-step hook writing process that we want to be used in our own hooks. And now we can just simply get the AI to create as a hook on any topic following what is taught in that original video. So to do that, I can just delete this placeholder over here and open up a chat inside the AI. I'll just make this smaller. And now I just need to hook this piece of content that has the hook writing tricks in it that I want the AI to use over to the chat box. And now that those two are connected, I can chat with the AI over here and get it to extract anything that's taught in this video. So watch this. So I'm going to ask the AI to write me an opening hook for a video I want to write about why Lamborghinis are the best cars in the world. But I want the hook to be based on what is taught in this video. So I'm going to add to that, but I want the AI to use the 3-step hook writing process that is taught in the linked video. That's this video over here. And just for the demonstration purposes of this video, I'm going to get the AI to show me how it's used the 3-step process when writing that hook for me. So as simple as that, I can just press enter now, and we should get that hook. And that's done now. Let's check this out. I'll just make this box bigger so it's easier to read if we scroll up. Here's my original request, and here's the AI telling me that it's going to follow the 3-step hook formula from this video. And then it's telling me what that formula is. So the context lean, scroll stop interjection, contrarian snapback. We can see That's exactly the same as the breakdown I wrote over here. If we scroll down, we've now got my hook. Let's give that a read. Lamborghinis are engineering marvels that can reach 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds, making them some of the fastest production cars ever built. So that is the context lean, establishing the topic and getting viewers leaning in. Now let's move on. But here's the thing, their legendary speed isn't actually what makes them the best cars in the world. So that's the scroll stop that the AI has created for me in my hook. And now onto the contrarian snapback. Because what truly separates Lamborghinis from every other supercar is something most people never even consider. I hope you've taken in what's happened there. I've dropped in a hook writing masterclass over here on the left, and instantly the AI has learned what is taught in that video and written me a hook on any subject I've given it, following the hook writing tricks that it's learned from the video. So this is crazy already. It blew my mind when I first discovered it. But here's what surprised me the most about Poppy. It doesn't just learn those hook writing tricks that you pointed to. It can actually study any niche that you tell it to and then write niche specific hooks while still using those hook writing tricks it's learned. Let me show you how. So here's how this works. We're still going to place the hook writing tricks that we want the AI to learn up here on the top to generate hooks for us over here on the right. But now in addition to that, down here at the bottom, we're going to point Poppy AI to any niche specific information that we want it to learn to write the best possible hooks for our chosen niche. So I'll show you this in action. Let's get rid of this placeholder down here for the niche. And I'm going to drop in some gaming videos down here to get the AI to create me hooks tailored to the gaming niche. So I've headed back over to YouTube and I found some videos reviewing the new Nintendo Switch 2 gaming handset. And I'm going to grab a few of these and pop them back into Poppy AI. And you can see down here now that I've pulled in 3 top gaming videos into the AI for the AI to pull information from when it's making me my hooks. But those 3 gaming these videos down there are quite messy, just sitting there on the whiteboard. Poppy actually has a secret weapon of how we can clean this up and organize it a bit more. So let's just move this over and we're going to zoom out a little bit. What we can actually do is we can create a group for our niche by clicking this group button down here. And then we get our group box here, which we can move anywhere on the whiteboard that we want. And now we can simply pop into the group any niche videos that we want the AI to take inspiration from. And now that I put the niche group down here, I can rename this group to the name of the niche. So I've now called this gaming videos. And instead of having to link all 3 of these videos over to the chat, I now just have to link this single group to the chat box here. And I can now pull out information from any video in this group altogether. So let's zoom in and test this out. So I've started by asking the AI to write me an opening hook for a YouTube video that I want to make about the Nintendo Switch 2, but I've not yet told it to use the hook writing tricks that are taught in this video or to learn about the Nintendo Switch 2 from these top videos on the topic down here. So let's add that to the command. So I just added into the chat box that I want it to follow the 3-part hook writing process mentioned in the Irresistible Hooks video. That's this video here. So follow that process when writing the hooks. And I want the AI to use information about the Nintendo Switch 2 that can be found inside the gaming videos group. That's this group right here. The AI is going to extract what is being said in these 3 videos in my group when deciding what to include in my hook. So let's press this submit button now to get Poppy AI to write me a hook that I know is specific to the Nintendo Switch 2 because it's using the information in this niche group and it's going to be using the hook writing tricks that I've connected to it here. Let's press submit. Now that's done, let's make this box bigger and read what's been said. So here's my initial request. Here's Poppy telling me that it understands I want a hook on Nintendo Switch 2 using the 3-part formula from the video, incorporating information found in the niche group. We can see that it's understood the hook writing tips video because it's got the 3-part formula explained back to me here. And here is our hook. The Nintendo Switch 2 is the most anticipated gaming console of the year with a massive 7.9-inch screen that's 60% larger than the original. So that's our context lean, establishing the topic and getting viewers leaning in and using specific information. So the 7.9-inch screen being 60% larger than the original, that it's only going to have known by studying what's being said in these niche videos right down here. Now onto the scroll stop. But here's the thing, the screen isn't even the most impressive upgrade on this device. The only way Poppy is going to know to say that is by studying what's already been talked about in the niche and including it. Because what's actually going to change how you play games forever are the revolutionary magnetic Joy-Cons that transform into mouse controllers without any accessories. That last line is our contrarian snapback right there, where we provide unexpected information, and Poppy AI is only going to know that unexpected information by studying these niche specific videos and learning from them, just like we told it to. It's done exactly what we asked for. And just to show you that this works for any niche you can think of, I've swapped out the gaming niche group down here now for gardening videos. You can see I've got my 3 top videos on gardening tips for beginners down here in my gardening group. And I've changed the prompt now. I've told it that I want a hook for my video that's going to be on growing vegetables. I've told the AI to use any information about growing vegetables that it can find in the gardening videos group over here when deciding what to write in the hook. Now let's press submit and see what hook we get back. And now that's finished instantly, let's scroll down and read our hook. It's been split across these 3 sections. So the biggest mistake new gardeners make isn't choosing the wrong plants, it's waiting too long to start growing. But here's the thing, you don't need months of perfect weather to get an amazing harvest, because these 5 incredible vegetables can go from seed to your plate in less than 30 days, even if you only have a shady spot with minimal sunlight. This tech is just crazy to me and so empowering that creators can use this for any crazy niche that they can think that they want to make videos on. But I've learned that Poppy isn't just a hook writing tool. It's also a powerful diagnostic tool for your content that isn't working. Let me show you how it can identify exactly what's wrong with your failing hooks. So here's how you can learn what went wrong with your failing hooks inside the AI. So we're still going to have our hook writing tricks up here, and we're going to plug both our failing hook and our hook writing tricks into the AI so that it can give us a diagnostic on our hook over here on the right based on what the hook writing tricks says a good hook should be. So I'll just show you what that means. So I'll just delete this placeholder down here and actually add one of my videos that had a failing hook into the AI. So that's down there now. If we head over to YouTube quickly, you can see that video in my analytics down here. You can see that it's my lowest performing hook right now. Only 40% of people that clicked on this video are still watching after the first 30 seconds, which tells me that this hook failed to keep people watching. So this hook really needs to be better. So I'll plug that failed hook into the AI along with the hook writing tricks that we've learned. And I just need to say to the AI here, using the expert hook writing tips shared in the Irresistible Hooks video, that's this video over here, teach me why that hook failed and write me an improved hook for it. We'll just press enter. And now the AI has done its thing. We'll just make this box bigger and scroll up to the top to see what we were given back. So here's my original query. So we can see that the lean in was weak in my original hook. The hook basically didn't have any scroll stopping interjection that the expert hook writing video here said that every hook needs. And also there's no contrarian snapback in my original hook. And I've got the detailed information of exactly what that means here. The AI then showed me a few additional issues I should think of, and then went ahead and wrote me an improved hook for this video following the 3-step process in that hook writing tips video up here. So an amazing teacher of how we can fix our broken hooks. And you can just keep adding more and more hook writing tips by adding social media content, documents, or websites, and creating a group of hook writing tricks up here that you can use to diagnose any failing hook that you plug into Poppy down here. So if you've made it this far in the video, you're probably wondering what the price of Poppy AI is by now. It's $33 a month, which really is just over $1 a day, which when you compare it to other pro writing tools like ChatGPT Pro or Google Gemini Pro, it's only slightly higher than the $20 a month that those platforms charge. But, you know, with the advanced whiteboard drag and drop interface, the fact that you can make groups for your niche and for your hook writing tips and pull information out of them super quickly. I think it's worth that little bit extra a month for those added benefits. But with Poppy AI, you can only purchase it on an annual subscription. So it's going to seem expensive because the annual subscription is a $399 one-off payment, which I know that's tough. It's a shame that you can only pay it in a one-off annual payment. But the way I look at it now is it's kind of like making a one-year commitment to create content. And that consistency is what is essential to succeed in content creation, in growing a YouTube channel. So I really see it as a commitment to doing what's necessary to grow as a content creator. So it doesn't seem so bad when you look at it that way. And if you get just one video pop off and go viral, for example, one of my videos got nearly 400,000 views recently. That made me close to £2,000. I mean, that dwarfs that cost of using Poppy for the year. And a bonus on top of that is there's a free 30-day refund period with Poppy. So if you don't like it in that first month, you can get your money back. There's a link to Poppy in the description to this video if you are interested in checking it out yourself, along with a code that's going to get you $25 off, actually. So you can find that down below too. And then start using it to learn any hook writing tricks that you can point it at, create hooks for you in any niche, and also diagnose your old failing hooks so you can learn what went wrong. And now you know how to use Poppy for hooks. Imagine what you could do with this technology in other areas. In fact, I've created a video here showing a step-by-step system of using Poppy to create expert level, complete YouTube scripts. So make sure to use that next if you're ready to move from hooks to full scripts. Give that video a watch next. And as always, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.